I'm Nicole Camarda. The CDC's reversal on masks comes more than 2 months after the announcement that those vaccinated didn't need to wear face coverings indoors or outdoors. Idaho is seeing an uptick in COVID-19 cases around the state and right here in the Treasure Valley with 373 new cases across the state on Monday. That's the highest number we've seen since April 14th.
Case counts are going up in every state. I think this means we're in a worse situation now.
We've seen this Delta variant continue to spread across the country and across Idaho as well. That combined with a large proportion of the population who's still not been vaccinated has contributed to the CDC's decision to update their mask guidance.
COVID-19 cases in Idaho are seeing a spike once again, with Ada County and Canyon County at the front of it, and the Delta variant a major concern.
So it's not surprising to have areas with the highest population to potentially see the most transmission, particularly this Delta variant. Persons who are susceptible will be more likely to acquire infection, and those who've been fully vaxxed could potentially transmit. Hence the recommendation by the CDC to wear those masks, particularly indoors and when in crowded areas.
According to the Idaho Department of Health and Welfare's dashboard, the state has actually seen an increase in vaccinations over the last 2 weeks. But still, roughly only about 37% of Idaho's population is fully vaccinated. Out of the over 400,000 Ada County residents, about 56% are vaccinated, where next door in Canyon County, only around 42% of the 68,000 residents are vaccinated.
We're not near the point we can even talk about herd immunity. And so we are, and if you look across the United States, we probably have 100 million people that are at risk for this virus. So there's lots of, to use a wildfire analogy, there's a lot of timber out there for this fire.
The CDC says vaccines have been working to protect from illness, and although breakthrough cases are happening, officials still recommend following the CDC guidance of wearing a mask when necessary.
But this is an important step that we can all take to support each other to make sure that as we enter into the fall period of the year, is that we do so successfully and economically as well as socially and educationally are successful as we move through 2021.
Nicole Camarda, Idaho News 6.